Yep, the Easter Bunny put them in the snow. Pick them up, put them in your basket. Yep. You're not gonna fall. Mommy's right here, okay? Here, I'll hold your hand. Give me your hand, it's okay. Yep. Look it, now get your eggs, buddy. Yeah, those are for you. Put them in there. You got it? More, yeah, they're all for you, bud. Yeah, get them all. Yeah, more. Pretty cool, huh, buddy? Yeah, get that one too.
That?
Yeah.
Not blue.
You don't want the blue one?
Yeah.
Got it. How about the pink one? Here, Mommy, help. Here you go. I'll get these ones too. Okay, look over here. Right here, bud, there's more. Here, Mama, help you. I know. Here, Mommy, help you down. Give me your hand.
No.
You want to grab these ones?
Yeah. This.
Yeah. Yeah.
I'm cold.
Are you cold? Okay, let's hurry up and grab the rest of them then so we can go inside and warm up, okay? Get the bunny. Right here, buddy. The box has a chocolate bunny. Cal, this right here.
Oh, cute.
Is that cute?
Yeah. So I guess I'm right.